If you ever have been to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, you'll enjoy walking along the Malecón with me on the Day of the Dead. We're going to walk along the sidewalk and see things you may have seen before, but never on this day, when everybody honors their dead relatives and puts out plants and images and pictures of their dead relatives so they're never forgotten on the Day of the Dead. Come look what the Malecón looks like on the Day of the Dead in Mexico, Puerto Vallarta, right now. The Malecón in Puerto Vallarta. That was a very famous acrobatics trick they do every couple hours. It's Dia de Morder, Day of the Dead. So at night this place lights up with all kinds of Halloween antics, but it's not really Halloween, it's called Day of the Dead. That was yesterday, and today is the last day, November 1st and November 2nd. All opens up at nighttime. In the day, everything's closed except the beach, where you can go skin diving, snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, and all the beach kind of stuff. He likes my shirt.
¿Verdad?
All right, and here is where there's a lot of decorations on the Malecón. And there's one big girl. And of course she's dead. the whales come in December. So they do have some whale watching, but not very good now. And there's the guy we had in a lot of videos, the Sandman. But he's not here today. There's his shoes. She belongs there.
Mix it up a bit. Come on, get a little wild. Work it, girl.
There you go. That's it.
Help. Action. Own it. Right.
And this is Day of the Dead on the Malecón in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Say hola. Hola, ¿qué tal?